This right here, this Esee Arrowhead. All right, now the thing I like a lot about it is it's easy to make a quick little addle with it, but also where those arrowheads come down into the points on the corners is really good for catching on fruits and stuff like that and dropping them to the ground. That little corner right there is what I use to grab a hold of it and separate it and knock that stem off. And then the task just goes to actually finding where it fell when you pulled it off.